Hi besties, on today's menu we are going to be making chicken vegetable, and this yummy food is so nutritious and is commonly consumed by the Africans. So here we have our washed chicken, so we're going to be cooking it for about 30 minutes or till it's soft. So this is the chicken, so we're going to spice it with any spice of your choice, any seasoning of your choice. But make sure you season it very well so that it will give the chicken a taste. Then you add in your onion, so make sure you use any seasoning of your choice. So I'm going in with Terra seasoning cube, then I added it. I'm also going to be adding my fresh pepper, my fresh scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'll also give it a good mix. So this is the main boss of the day. Yes, chicken is the main thing, so you're going to mix very well. So when you mix very well, then you're going to cook it for 30 minutes so that it will get soft. Yeah, so just adding in salt, a little bit of salt. Then I also stir it and also cook my chicken. So you stir and you also cook your chicken. So while cooking your chicken, don't add in water. So the chicken itself will bring its own water out. So when your chicken is done and is soft, so right now these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have my red oil, I have my ugba, I have my vegetable green, I have my onion, then I also have my crayfish, salt, pepper. So let's dive in on the process. So in a pot, you add in your red oil, a little bit of red oil, then you allow it to heat. Then you add in salt, little salt. You add in your ugba. Yes. So on this, you are preparing it on a low heat. Then you add in your ugba. Then you stir. You go in with your onion, your chopped onions, on a low heat. Then you also be adding in your scotch bonnet pepper. You add in your pepper. Then you mix very well. So we're adding in our seasoning a little. Then you stir very well. You give it a mix. Then you allow it to steam for 2 minutes so that you can add in your chicken, the main deal of the day. You add in your chicken, then you stir very well. You mix it together so that both of them can marry with each other. You stir very well. Then after stirring, you're going to be adding in your vegetable. Enough vegetable, yes. So you add in your vegetable little by little, portions by portion. You add, you stir, you also add, you stir till you get the desired quantity of vegetable you want in your chicken. Then you stir very well. This is a weekend treat. You can enjoy this meal with any drink of your choice. This is for weekend treats. You can use it for entertainment. You can use it for your weekends. So now our food is ready. So this is chicken vegetable mixed with Ukpaka sauce, weekend treat. So guys, this is what it looks like. If you be trying this method, let me know about that in the comment section. What do you think about this food? This food is highly nutritious with a lot of vitamins and vegetable. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.